What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house. We're back on the Jaguar F-Type part 5. This video we're gonna repair the bumper, paint the bumper, and put everything back together. Also, I'm gonna announce the 4 lucky winners of the giveaway. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'm gonna announce the 4 lucky winners, and we got LNC hat, t-shirt, and few emblems. So you guys get to have some goodies, so don't go anywhere. If you're new to this channel and you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos, so go ahead and subscribe. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. So right now I'm gonna repair this bumper, and if you guys remember, this is the bumper from the donor car. So when the car caught on fire, they had to cut the hood to get to the battery so they could cut the positive wire. So they cut the bumper as well. So we're gonna repair this bumper with fiberglass because it's this is like some kind of a plastic that doesn't melt or it doesn't do anything. So the only way to repair this bumper is with fiberglass. So I'll show you exactly how I'm gonna do this. You guys could see they cut it. So I'm gonna put fiberglass from this side and fiberglass from this side, and it will be a part of the bumper, solid piece. So I'll sand this down, get rid of the paint on both sides, and then apply some fiberglass. Right now what I did, I sent it down all the way to the plastic, get rid of all the paint. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use this metal tape. I'm gonna tape it from behind, and then I'm gonna apply fiberglass, cover this hole, and then once this side dries out, I'll put fiberglass on the other side as well, so it'll be nice and strong. What I did, I cut very thin pieces of fiberglass, so that's gonna go in the hole, and then little thicker, that's gonna go on top of the bumper. So this is next day and everything is dry. Check it out. So everything looks good. So right now I'm gonna remove this this tape, and then I'll apply some fiberglass on this side as well. So this way it holds even better. But so far so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply a nice strip and let it sit overnight again, and we'll start doing body work the following day. Everything dried up, so right now I'm gonna sand this down and apply some Bondo. That's it, just repaired the bumper, everything looks good, like nothing ever happened. So now I'm gonna apply some Bondo, body filler, and ready for primer. Everything came out good, it looks like part of the bumper now. And I even made a little clip here for the bracket. So yeah, something like this. So we're finished with the bumper. I just repaired the left corner and had a couple scrapes on the top. So that's all finished. Let's take a look. Boom. So yeah, just fixed the cut. So everything looks good up here. Also had a scrape up here. So I just put some little Bondo. So yeah, pretty much ready for primer. So I'll start taking the bumper apart right now. And ready for primer. That's it, guys. Bumper is painted, came out super nice, super happy. We could start putting it together. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. Look at that paint job, perfect. And let's check out the grills as well. Look at this. Once everything dries up, we'll start putting the bumper together, the car, getting the car pretty much ready for a detail. Almost finished. Now we could start putting it back together. So we got a lot of pieces to put together. Let's take a look and check that out. We gotta install all those goodies. That's it, just put the bumper together. Man, it was a lot of pieces, but it's all together, so now we can install the bumper. Let's take a look. Boom, check it out. Yeah, lots of stuff. So I had to order a new bracket for the Jag. It finally came in. Here's the brackets for the side, because the other one got damaged. And also had to get one more fender liner for the right side, because that one melted at the bottom here. So that's it. We're ready to put the Jag together. So for now, we'll end the video here. I don't want to make the video too long because we still gotta go pick the lucky 4 winners for the giveaway. Stay tuned for part 6. In part 6, we gotta wrap everything up, pretty much get the car ready for shipping. And we'll do price reveal at the end of the video. So stay tuned, that's gonna be in part 6. So for now, let's go to the office and pick the lucky 4 winners. Let's do this. So I'm all set up to pick the lucky 4 winners. So super excited. So the 4 prizes, we got LNC hat, LNC t-shirt, and couple Jaguar emblems. So we'll be using a common picker. So we got over, let's see, 369 comments, and we'll be picking somebody random once I click start. So let's do this. 4 lucky winner coming up. All right, let's pick a winner now. Winner number 1, going once, going twice. Who is it gonna be? Ashwin, congratulations, brother. You're the lucky winner number 1. Let's pick a second winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner, Sean John 7744. Congratulations, brother. Yes, you did win. And let's pick a lucky winner number 3. Robert, congratulations, my friend. You're the lucky winner number 3. Let's pick the last but not least, and lucky winner number 4. Going once, going twice, and Romas. Congratulations, my friend. You're the lucky winner number 4. If you're the lucky winner, please send me an email. I'll put my email in the description with your first name, last name, and a good address so I could ship you guys the goodies. So thank you guys for participating. Man, you guys are just a bunch of rock star, and stay tuned for part 6. Part 6 is gonna be very exciting. Like I said, we're gonna get the car ready for delivery. We're gonna ship out the car, and for the final, I'm gonna tell you how much the Jaguar came out. So stay tuned. Do not miss that last final episode. So thank you once again. Make sure to like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!